Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Ram Reddy. Today we will discuss about effects of poor solid waste management and methods of solid waste management. Waste is defined as any unwanted or useless material or any material unused or rejected as worthless or unwanted and useless or profitless activity using or expanding or consuming or carefully. Source of waste is agriculture, fisheries, household, commerce and industries. Types of waste. Types of waste include solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste, animal byproducts, biodegradable waste, chemical waste, commercial waste, biomedical waste or bulky waste. Solid waste. Solid waste is defined as non-liquid, non-soluble material ranging from municipal garbage to industrial wastes that contains complex and sometimes hazardous substances. Solid waste includes garbage, rubbish, demolition products, sewage treatment residue, dead animals, manure and other discarded materials. Steps include solid waste management are storage, collection, transport and handling, recycling, disposal and monitoring of waste materials. Storage. Storage involves galvanized steel dust bins, paper sack, public bins. Collection. Collection includes house-to-house collection, collection from the public bins. Waste handling and transport. Waste handling and separation involves activities associated with waste management until the waste is placed in storage containers for collection. Handling also encompasses the movement of loaded containers to the point of collection. Waste is transferred from a smaller collection vehicle to larger transport equipment. Recycling. Recycling refers to the collection and refuse of waste materials such as empty, beverages container. The material from which the items are made can be processed into new products. Materials for recycling may be collected separately from general waste using dedicated bins. Methods of disposal. Methods of disposal includes dumping, controlled tipping or sanitary landfill, incineration, composting, manure pits, burial. Methods of solid waste management include sanitary landfilling, incineration, reduce, reuse and recycle, composting, pyrolysis. Landfilling. A landfill site is a site for the disposal of waste materials by the burial and is the oldest form of waste treatment. Waste is directly dumped into mining voids or borrow pits. Disposed waste is compacted and covered with soil. Gases generated by the decomposing waste materials are often burned to generate power. Landfilling can be done by three methods: trench method, area method, ramp method. Trench method. The trench method consists of an excavated trench into which the solid wastes are spread, compacted and covered. Area method. The area method is best suited for flat or gently sloping areas where some land depression may exist. The wastes are spread, compacted and then covered. Third one is the ramp method. It is also known as depression method. The slope or ramp is sometimes used in combination with the other two methods. The wastes are separated on an existing slope, compacted and covered. Advantages. Landfill site is a cheap waste disposal option. The gases given off by the landfill site could be collected and used for generating power. Lots of different types of wastes can be disposed of by landfilling in comparison to other waste disposal method. Disadvantages. Landfills can pollute air, water and also the soil. Landfill can contribute to the global warming. Incineration. Incineration is a waste management technology that involves the combustion of organic materials and or substances. It is carried out at high temperature. The waste material is converted into ash, gases, particulates and heat. Types of incinerators: moving grade, fixed grade, fluids bed, rotatory clean. Advantage: less space requirement, hygienic process. Disadvantages of incineration is expensive process, special care required. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduction is the most important strategy of the 3 Rs. It focuses on the source of the waste or where the waste is generally coming from. Source reduction is carried out when products are designed, manufactured, packaged and used in the way that limits the amount of toxicity of waste created. The second most important strategy of the 3 Rs is reuse, which is when an item is cleaned and the materials are used again. Composting. It is controlled biological decomposition of organic matter such as food and yard wastes into humus. Composting is the natural process of rotting or decomposition of organic matter by microorganisms under controlled condition. It can be anaerobic or aerobic. This process takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Benefits of composting involves provides nutrients to the soil, increasing beneficial soil organism, protects soil from erosion, assist pollution remediation. Pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is a thermochemical decomposition of organic material at elevated temperatures in the absence of oxygen. It involves the simulations change of chemical composition and physical phase, and it is irreversible. Effects of poor waste management. Effects of poor solid waste management includes litter surroundings, impact on human health, disease causing pests, environmental problems, soil and groundwater pollution, emission of toxic gases, and impact on land and aquatic animals. Litter surroundings. Due to improper waste disposal system, particularly by municipal waste management teams, wastes head up the become menace. While people clean their homes and places of work, they litter their surroundings, which affect the environment and the community. Impact on human health. Improper waste disposal can affect the health of the population living nearby the polluted areas or landfills. The health of waste disposal workers and other employees involved with these landfill facilities are also at a greater risk. Disease causing pests. This type of dumping of waste materials forces biodegradable materials to rot and decomposes under improper, unhygienic, and uncontrolled conditions. After a few days of decomposition, a foul smell is produced and it becomes a breeding ground for different types of disease causing insects as well as infectious organisms. Environmental problems. Solid waste from industries are a source of toxic metals, hazardous waste, and chemicals. When released to the environment, the solid wastes can cause biological and physiochemical problems to the environment that may affect or alter the productivity of the soil in the particular area. Soil and groundwater pollution. Toxic materials and chemicals may seep into soil and pollute the groundwater during the process of collection of solid waste. Hazardous waste usually mix with ordinary garbage and other flammable waste, making disposal process even harder and risky. Emission of toxic gases. When hazardous wastes like pesticides, batteries containing lead, mercury, or zinc, cleaning solvents, radioactive materials, e-waste, and plastic mixed up with paper and other non-toxic scraps and burned, they produce dioxins, furans, polychlorinated diaphenyls, and other gases. These toxic gases have the potential of causing various diseases including cancer. Impact on land and aquatic animals. Our carelessness with our waste and garbage also affects animals and they suffer the effect of pollution caused by improper disposal of waste and rubbish. Consuming styrofoam and cigarette butts have been known to cause deaths in marine animals. Animals also risk of poisoning while consuming grasses near contaminated area or landfills and the toxins seep into the soil. Conclusion. Proper solid waste management is an integral part of environment conservation that should be observed by individuals and companies globally. This will keep the environment clean and reduce health related issues. Thank you.